It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 16th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A cool and crisp start to the day, and temperatures will remain below average for the next few days before we see a warming trend take over by the end of the week and heading into the weekend. Don't get used to it, though, because all signs are pointing toward colder temperatures and the potential of a significant precipitation event just in time for a visit from Old St. Nick next week. So let's talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday. 66 degrees was the high in the valley, 48 the morning low, not too far away from those normals of 66 and 44. And outside now here at 7:20 a.m., we've got mostly clear skies in the valley, 45 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, humidity 56%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, the cool spot, Goldfield at 32, 33 at Fort McDowell, 34 Saguaro Lake, a number of spots in the mid and upper 30s, but here in the urban core, we're in the low and middle 40s. The upper air look, that trough that has brought in the cooler weather is now moving off to the east, leaving us in the wake of a dry northwesterly flow. And of course, with that trough and the colder air, we've got winter weather advisories extending from eastern New Mexico and Colorado across the plains and into the northeast. In the warm sector, it's severe weather that's the problem, the enhanced risk around Baton Rouge, north and eastward toward Tuscaloosa, Alabama, with the broader severe weather risk from southeast Texas eastward toward parts of Florida and Georgia. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Not much precip to speak of here across Arizona or much of the Rockies and the northern plains, the western Great Lakes, but that will be changing just beyond this period. We have the potential of a significant rain event. We'll talk about it now as we take a look at the models. Check it out. Here we go to the GFS. The 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there you see that trough pulling away, a dry northwesterly flow behind it down at the surface. A few high clouds, otherwise mostly sunny today, highs in the low 60s. Tonight, clear and chilly, lows mid-30s to low 40s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny again, highs low to mid-60s. We might warm up a degree or two. On Wednesday, we've got a little feature passing by north of us, and some high clouds will come through here. In fact, we'll call the day partly sunny. High temperatures low to mid-60s, and then after that moves on by, we'll drop temperatures a couple of degrees again. Highs low 60s for Thursday, the sky partly cloudy. On Friday, the ridge starts to build in, and here comes that warming trend I mentioned. Highs upper 60s on Friday. Then over the weekend, a mix of sun and clouds each day. High temperatures low 70s or so for both Saturday and Sunday. All right, now here we go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 23rd. The pattern across North America beginning to amplify. We see a 588 ridge over the northern Gulf of Mexico and a rapidly deepening trough just off the west coast. And if this should happen to verify, tropical moisture would be pulled in out ahead of that system. Here across the southwest, we'd see plenty of clouds in here, but at that point, temperatures would still be above average for us, and rain lurking just to the west, mountain snows for the Sierras. All the places that could use the precipitation would be getting it, and that's good news. Going out to Tuesday, this is Christmas Eve, and now we've got rain becoming widespread across Arizona as this cold system begins to move to the east, and those snow levels would start coming down. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Christmas Day, and it could be a white Christmas for the high country and a wet one for us here in the valley with temperatures well below average. All right, checking out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Highs stay below average until the end of the week, and then we'll see a warm-up. And I would suspect that next week, if we happen to get that cold system coming in through here, high temperatures would be colder than what's shown here. We may stay in the 50s for several days and lows down in the 30s and 40s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are, of course, always encouraged. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Monday.